looking at chain rule, and it's also otherwise known as function of a function rule. So this is a bit tricky but not hard, so you just have to go step by step. Let's say we have a function y equals to f of z, and we have another function as z is equal to g of x. Using chain rule, the derivative is dy over dx, which is equals to, so let's look at this. It's like saying this: we have dy over dz multiplied by dz over dx, that is for this derivative of this. So what does this mean? In summary, it implies that dy over dx is equals to derivative of this with respect to z multiplied by derivating this with respect to x. So that is the simple formula for a chain rule. So let's do an example. Let's say 1 to 1. Find the dy over the x of z equals to 2y raised to power 3, where y is equals to 3x plus 8. So, and then we are looking for the dy and dx. So solution, dy over dx is equals to, we have to first do this. Let's do this. Let's say this is 1. You have to first do what? dz over dy multiply by dy over dx, that is dy over dx is here. So we can, let's say this equation 2 for example. So we can now say our dz over dy, when we differentiate this, this is going to be 2 times 3, that is 6y, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So our dy over dz is this, and let's our dy over dx equals to our dy over dx. We are differentiating this now, so 3x, differentiation of 3x is what? 3. Don't forget, therefore dy over dx equals to dz over dy. Let's say this is our dz, don't forget, which is going to give us, okay, let's do this, 6y square multiplied by dy over dx, which is 3, right? If we multiply that, dy over dx will be equals to 18y square. As simple as that, 18y square. Then remember that y equals to, what is our y? 3x. This is y. This is y. So our y is 3x plus 8. 3 3x plus 8. Therefore, final result, our dy over dx be equals to 18 into bracket 3x plus 8 square, and that's the dy over dx. So let's do another example. Example 2. Let's say find dy over dx using chain rule. So y equals to 5u raised to power 3, and where u equals to 15 minus x raised to power 3. Look at this again. Let's label this as our 1. Let's label this 2. So solution, dy over dx will be equals to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. You see? So we can say our dy over du equals to, we are going to differentiate this, you can see, right? So dy du is going to be 15 u 3 minus 1 2, and then our du over dx equals to differentiating this, that is going to give us minus 3x raised to power 2. Don't forget this sign. It's very important. So now the dy over dx is then going to be equals to 15 u square multiplied by minus 3x square. So we can go to be dy over dx, which is equals to, when we open the bracket, is going to be minus 45 say x square u square. Recall that u equals to cu is 15 minus s raised to power 3. That is our u, right? Therefore, dy over dx is equals to minus 45 x square into bracket 15 minus s raised to power 3 close bracket square. So these are, you don't forget to bring this square, you see, this square, don't forget it, and that's what we brought here, and these are our final results. So x square, which is this, and then u square, which is this, u square, that is our u, and then square. So, and that is it. That is chain rule. So in the next video we'll be showing you how to easily solve chain rule without not having to go through this long method. So it's going to be a mixture of using this long method and a shorter way of doing it. Okay, so let's do this as our assignment.